this anger to vote against this wickedness. My wife, myself, my children, we are fully obedient.
Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. How una dey? Also, una dey fine. Una do well. So, una tell help me to dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. Abeg, una not forget. For those one wey be say they just dey see my page for the first time, una not forget. Just subscribe on my YouTube Unto Mama, or for Facebook Untouchable Mama, or Untouchable Mama backup page. And I may still get time. So my people, una see the video where be say Justice Suleman just do. Hey, you want try? He say for you in with the family, then be obedient. You see, sometimes e good make we dey talk about all these things wey be say our country get as e be. At this election dey come, so vote wise. Open your eyes. Vote the right person. The right person is Peter Obi. Take it or leave it. If you want make our country change, make everything come be like say e just dey change dey come, don dey change dey come, because e not easy to just enter, e go just change am once. No, because the country e don kpafuka. E spoil, over spoil, come dey worry am. So this man go come in now. He go try to make sure say everything dey okay. Small with time, everything go dey okay. More na try the youth now we dey talk to, because most of una now, I no understand about, I no understand some of our people wey be say dem still dey clap hand for these old people wey be say they even old pass the country wey dem wan come rule. Can you imagine? Because when you don dey old, your brain go still dey old join am. All these people, they no wan let go. They don stay there for many years. They no do anything. They only worst the country. The country come be like wetin they no dey use again. Now they even make am say if foreigners, that is all these Europe people, when they go see us, when we go carry our passport for hand, where we just bring am come out, the way where they tell look, Nigeria, you get the way where they tell they do the one kind eye, my people. If you get Nigeria passport, say maybe you dey go somewhere, you understand wetin I mean. The way when they say they do, all these people, na im cause am. We no even get respect for anywhere. So our youth, more na open our eye well. More na not think about maybe they give una rice, so they give una oil. Shebi una hear wetin Suleman even talk. Because the thing don tire everybody. More na vote Peter Obi. Na new person. Na new face. He never say maybe he don rule before. You see all those one wey be say, all those Buhari sets, all this wetin they call am Atiku, and all this wetin be the other one, the one where they use hand till they waka up and down. That old man wey be say he don pay. God do our country more na no dey run follow all those people. Na their pocket na dem dey look after. They no care about you. You see all those people, they say they don't say where they the country. They not do anything, nothing they do. Road not be road, water not dey, lights not dey. How una go see the clap hand for those people like that? We no need them. We need new face. New face make come change something. So more na open our eye well, more na open am for ground though. More na go vote for Peter Obi. More na go vote for am. Mona go vote for am, because if una make mistake again, una go suffer well. No be small thing. Mona not make that mistake. Mona change. Sometimes you need to change. It's like when you dey wear one pant all the time. Sometimes you go say, me I still change to another pant. Me I see whether it go fit me. Now so it be now. Mona change, because all these old people, we don't dey see their face. Even their face don't tire everybody. So the next thing to do now is a newcomer. Welcome the new person in, and may we see, may we give her that chance. May we see wetin he wan do for us. Na good pass o, because those people wey be say they old, wey don dey rule the country before, they don't do anything. May I put Justice Suleman video more na list. Abeg more na share this. Abeg more na help me share this video. One love.
This anger to vote against this wickedness. My wife, myself, my children, we are fully obedient. You know, I feel the pains that so many of us are going through now. I understand. Some of us are going through a lot of pain. Is that true? I saw a video of a lady rolling on the ground, crying that her children are dying, they cannot feed, no money. And my heart was broken. I feel very bad. Amen. One of the things I don't do anymore is to talk about politics. It's something I don't do. And it's deliberate. I don't talk about politics. And I will not. That's the truth. I can only encourage you. Are you listening? And advise you to do the right thing. And that's the truth. You know, hunger and all of that are not things that we are supposed to be going through. We have no business going through what we are going through now. What is happening now is Nigeria, 200 million Nigerians are suffering for two fighting. This anger to vote against this wickedness. Are you following what I'm saying? My wife, myself, my children, we are fully obedient. Listen. Fully. 100%. Listen. We are not those who make noise on social media. No, we work at the background. We support. We are fully. If you like, vote something else. See me, I hardly stay in the country. I hardly stay in Nigeria. A whole year, I can stay 80 days or 60 days. I'll be going and coming and be looking at you. If you go and vote nonsense, you vote insecurity, tribalism, bigotry, ethnicity, if that's what you are going to vote. Are you following me? Listen to me. I'm saying this. You know I don't talk like that. But I'm telling you the truth. My wife is here. Me, I'm here. I will never. I have friends across the divide. They are there. They are my friends. But most of them are supporting because of what they want to get. They know that who they are supporting is bad. They know. But it's because they want to get. For you to support a man and you have nothing to gain, it shows that you are honest. Because it's about the country. Somebody sent me a message, Apostle, I'm waiting for your candidate to lose so I can call you out. And I told him, I said, well, not the tire. You want to call me out? So what will that do to me? You think me or some of the big men or celebrities who are supporting Peter Obi, you think we are supporting because we don't have anything to do? We are supporting, listen, we are supporting because of the masses. That's the truth. It doesn't reduce, win or don't win, it doesn't reduce us. We are supporting because of the masses. So we are supporting because of the masses. So whether you win or not, it doesn't change us. There are some of us that can never come down. It's too late. No matter what you do, we can't come down. I'm not talking politics. You are my people. I should tell you, me, I am voting Peter Obi. Me. My wife, Peter Obi. My pastors, Peter Obi. Those that love me, Peter Obi. If you are not tired, no money anywhere now, you want to continue like this? But all of them are part of those that destroy the country. The one that has not destroyed the nation is the one who will support. This is how I see life. All these things I have said now, I had it from a madman.